coat over it like this. Don't burn coat.
It's time for the Stella team firework rocket. Woo! Hello. Woo! Stella all the way. Let's party. Who are you? Brr. Vinny. Stevie. Legend. Woot woot. Dylan. There's my darling wife. Right, let's kick some butt. Hello, Dave. Who are you? It's Billy. Yeah. It's Bob Rush. We are the champions, my friends. 11 o'clock. Oh yeah. Gay. Who are you? Right, let's go. Oh, sorry, Lukey. Say hello. Whoa! The Stella Firework Show. Yeah, yeah. Right. Oh shit, it's dark in here, isn't it? We can't see anything, can we? You need a lighter. Right. Not really, because I'm doing something. Can you go away? This is the Stella World Pool Championship rocket. Can't see anything, but here we go. Shit, where's the fuse? Ah, oh my god, there we go. Look at that. Lights, look. Dun dun dun. There, spotlight. Can you all see this? This is Stella Firework. Yeah, it is. Ready to rock and roll. Got the lighter. Here we go. Shit, where's the fuse? Right, we're lighting it. Ready? Oh shit, I can't see. Where am I going? Oh, here we go. Yeah, baby! Chicken! Chicken!